Hello. Are you guys dealing with any flooding issues to the point where even the ducks think that this is a vacation spot? Well, we have just a solution for you. What we're gonna do here is introduce a French drain, no PVC pipes, only just the trench with drain rock to allow amazing drainability. Come take a look at what we're doing. As you can see, we finished the French drain. You can't even tell anything ever happened. This is just another epic job.
Epic landscaping, transforming outdoors, exceeding expectations.